To fix an LG front-load washer that's not draining, it's essential to understand the common reasons behind this issue. A blocked drain pump filter is a typical cause, which occurs when small objects and threads get stuck in the filter, preventing the washer from draining. Another common issue is a kinked drain hose, which can happen when the washer is placed too close to a wall or other objects. To resolve the problem, start by cleaning the drain pump filter. Begin by turning off the washer and opening the drain access panel located at the bottom front. Place a shallow basin nearby to catch any water that may drip out. Then, pull out the drain tube, remove the drain plug, and drain the water into the basin. Next, unscrew the drain cap and pull it out, draining any remaining water and removing any objects. Clean the drain pump filter with a soft brush and water, before putting it back and screwing the drain cap in clockwise. Replace the plug and tube, and close the drain access panel. Additionally, straighten the drain hose to ensure proper drainage, making sure to leave at least 10 centimeters of clearance between the washer and the wall. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's recommended to consult a service technician for further assistance.